on a 30-year term. So here's what I'm going to do is play with the term until I get the payments where I want them. Okay, number 4, to be clear, the balloon payment of 5 years will account for the monthly payments plus down payment I've been making to the seller, i.e. $2K a month. At $24K a year will mean I've paid off $120K plus $50,000 toward the total purchase price. Yes, we should. So it's handy to use our seller finance calculator, which you may have to bookmark. But what are the numbers on this one? Purchase price is $500,000 with a down payment of 50. Right?
Mm-hmm.
With an interest rate of 0 on a 30-year term. So here's what I'm going to do is play with the term until I get the payments where I want them. Beautiful. So basically, this is what we're looking at, right? She wanted $2,000 a month. So this might as well be a $500,000 purchase, $50,000 down payment on an 18.75 year term with a 5-year balloon. Right? Because
Yes.
then the balloon balance here, outstanding balance 330K. And that's the question she's asking, right? 330K? Yep. So I would say, now hang on, what did the contract say? Did it have a term? Sorry, I'm waiting for this to load so I can scroll. Nope, just has monthly installments. So we can set the term to make it such that the monthly payments are $2,000 flat. So this works perfectly right here. Balloon due, so we change this to 5 years. If you're editing this, any yellow cell is edit. Everything else is don't touch it. So this is a perfect, actually it doesn't copy paste very well at all. It's perfect for presentation, but you need to clip it. Screen clip. I'll send you an attachment. Actually, I'll put it in the document or in the file. OTC is the source of truth. Loan. Yeah, that'll work. Where do you want that? I'll add it to escrow. That's the big file.
Okay.
Loan terms 18.75 year at 0% interest with 5-year balloon. Will it let me put all that? Yeah, nice. Special characters are allowed. Dun dun. Beautiful. So I would download the image and send it to her in response to the email and say, yes, you're correct. And for clarity, here are how those terms look on our seller finance calculator. And did we connect with Laura, the listing agent's TC? Yes, we did.